Good evening, friends. Today we will look at another successful company by name Kitex Garments. It is headed by Sabu M. Jacob, who is the promoter and also current chairman and managing director. Sindhu Chandrasekhar is the executive director. So the company exports children's wear, 0 to 24 months ready to wear garments. It is the world's second largest manufacturer of cotton and organic cotton ready to wear garments. More than 80% of the revenue comes from USA, around 17% comes from India, and about 2% comes from other countries. There is an integrated manufacturing facility at Kochi, Kerala, and it is expanding to Telangana also now. 4 lakh pieces per day was the manufacturing capacity earlier, might have increased by now. Company's major customers include Gerber and William. As so many other customers are there, most of the revenue comes from 3 large clients. There are some subsidiary companies also. Kitex USA LLC is an associate company, and Kitex Children's Wear Limited is also there. So it has got 2 or 3 brands like Lamas and Little Star. It is selling well in US and Canada. There are a number of expansion projects, one of them in Telangana. So I think that has been finished by now. Now this Kitex Children's Wear Limited, which is a subsidiary, that also exports to USA. So there is a slight conflict. Kitex Garments also is exporting to US. Kitex Children's Wear Limited also is exporting to US. But Kitex Garments gives it to wholesalers, big clients. Kitex Children's Wear is giving to smaller clients. Now let us look at the results. Net sales 164.1 crores in December 23, that is Q3. Previous quarter 134 crores. And year ago quarter 68 crores. Year on year jump in net sales is 141%, and quarter on quarter is 23%. 141% growth in sales year on year, and 23% growth in quarter on quarter is very, very impressive. Raw material costs also have increased to some extent. 60.59% it has increased year on year. Net profit is 14.97 crores, previous quarter 13.32 crores, and year ago quarter was a loss of minus 4.22 crores. And so the net profit has increased by 455% year on year, and 12.47% quarter on quarter. So improvement in sales and net profits both are very impressive. Equity is 6.65 crores. Basic EPS is 2.25. Market price is 274.6. Market price is in a bullish trend right now. Price earning is something like 30.5. See, the past results also show that the December quarter has done very well. Now let us look at the annual results for the last 5 years, from March 23 backwards to March 19. If you look at that, the net sales has practically not increased anything during the last 5 years. While the latest 5 quarters are very satisfactory, the last 5 years reflect a downtrend in the latest year, March 23. Net profit also shows the same downward trend in the latest year ending March 23. Market price 274.60, 52-week high is 280, so it is very near to the 52-week high. Volumes are good, 64 lakhs. So buying, selling is easy in this script of Kitex Garments. Price curve was very normal up to January. It has peaked only in January and February 2024. Market trend is somewhat bullish. It is a mid-range performer. Price has got a strong momentum. 52-week high very near. Quarterly results are very good. That is, Q3 results are very good. Debt is very low. Profits have been increasing in the last 4 quarters. Book value is increasing. Zero promoters pledge. That's a very good thing. FIIs are increasing their shareholdings. Now, net profit has fallen over the years, that we have seen. Face value is 1 rupee, on that 2 plus is the quarterly EPS, that is also very good. Price to book is 2.25, it is somewhat high. Shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters holding is 56.66 in the latest quarter. FIIs have increased their holding from 0.66 to 0.84. Institutional investors have increased their holding from 0.66 to 0.84. P/E score is 6. Average financials. Price performance, if you look at that, in 1 week it has gone up by 24.62%. In 1 month it has gone up by 18.44%. In 3 months it has gone up by 35.5%. In 1 year 55.32%. In 3 years 157%. In 3 years it was a multi-bagger, but in 1 year it has gone up by only 55%. So what do you do with Kitex Garments? It has been doing well in the last 5 quarters, but in the last 5 years sales and profits have not increased. So what I feel is whether the present trend, which is very impressive, will continue. We may have to watch for at least 1 more quarter. But Kitex Garment has made its name in US. Of course, it has to go for other continents and like Europe, etc., where children wear is also badly needed. Therefore, Kitex Garments is one share which has done very well in the latest quarter, but we may have to watch for another quarter to see whether this uptrend continues. Price trend is okay. Low debt, the promoters pledge is low, so there are many plus points also. But 5 years sales and profits are not going up. That is one thing we need to keep in mind. Thank you for listening. Kitex Garments is good with reference to the last 5 quarters, but with reference to last 5 years, it's not so good. You make your decisions based on that.